vehicles. Expect has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, west central Logan County in central Oklahoma, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Level, moving south at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cashion and Cimarron City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Kingfisher in northeastern Canadian counties. At 6:40. Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Canadian County in central Oklahoma until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Concho, moving south at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by trained spotters. 2-inch hail in Okarche. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include El Reno, Union City, Calumet, Concho, and Cedar Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for counties in Oklahoma, Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, and Potawatomi. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kingfisher in west central Logan counties is canceled. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits, therefore the warning has been canceled. Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Grady County in central Oklahoma, east central Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, southwestern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southwest of El Reno, moving south at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include El Reno, severe thunderstorm watch number 132 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, Keene, and Potawatomi. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable. Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over northeastern Oklahoma City or near Jones, moving southwest at 10 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Eastern Edmond, Midwest City, Dell City, Choctaw, Harris, Spencer, Jones, Tacoma Park, Arcadia, Tinker Air Force Base, Forest Park, and Lake Aluma. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Grady County in central Oklahoma, east central Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northeast of Lake Chickasha, moving south at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Anadarko, Minko, Burton,